Good morning, Wild Lake. Tonight is the Wild Lake Band Concert featuring the Wind Ensemble and be in the concert band, and the concert is in the JRT at 7 p.m. It is free, but donations are gladly accepted to help support the band program. Math help is available at the school and on Wednesday in room 303 and Thursday in 309. Stop by. The boys lacrosse team is having a fundraiser at Shake Shack on Monday, May 8th from 11 to 9. Show the flyer to donate. The Black History Month Luxury Series continues tomorrow at the school from 2:30 to 4 in room 222. See Mr. Next for more information. Now a word from Mr. Cohen.
Good morning, Wild Lake, and welcome to May. Again, I'm Larry Cohen, and as always, I hope you're all doing well. And of course, I hope you're all smiling. Today, I would like to discuss with you the concepts of self-confidence and peer pressure, and the two of them are very much linked to each other. I believe that when we as individuals lack self-confidence, we are more apt to give in to peer pressure. And when we give in to peer pressure, what we're really doing is giving up control in order to please others and or to do things because others do it, and I don't think either one of those are good reasons to do anything. And that ties into self-confidence. Self-confidence is our ability to believe in ourselves, the ability to believe in our own ideas, principles, and values, and the ability to trust ourselves in making our own decisions and in making choices. It is having the trust and the faith in our own abilities to do the right things. We need to make the right choices based on what we think is right. None of us, including myself, is right 100% of the time. That's not realistic. What is realistic, however, is that we have enough trust and confidence in ourselves to make the best decisions and choices we can based on what we know is right and based on our ability to try and predict the impact of our decisions on ourselves and others. Regarding peer pressure, that's when our own confidence has to take control and ensure that we are not negatively influenced by the actions of others. Peer pressure to do something, especially something negative, is foolish, and in the worst case scenario, dangerous. My rule is that I do what I think is right, and I do not let myself be influenced by the actions of others to do anything I don't want to do. I take full responsibility for my actions and decisions and choices, and I do not blame others for what I choose to do or choose not to do. My responsibility is to make my own choices and to always be in control of my own behavior and actions. Under no circumstances should we allow the will of the group to supersede our own will to make our own decisions and choices. We always need to be in control of ourselves. Let me tell you our rights regarding peer pressure. We all have the right to say no. We all have the right to say stop. We all have the right to say that we're not comfortable doing something that we're not comfortable with. And we always have the right to leave. We have the right to be in control of our own behaviors and actions. And we always have the right to stand up for ourselves and make our own decisions and choices. True friends will support our good decisions. And if for some reason they don't, I question their friendship. And now, my closing comments as always. Work hard, never give up. Maintain your sense of humor. You'll always need that. Use your time wisely. Always do your very best. Have a good positive attitude. Have confidence in yourself and your abilities. Be honest with yourself and others. Respect yourself and others. Always be in control of your attitude, actions, and behaviors. Think before you act, and think before you react. Be nice and kind to each other. Follow through on your commitments and responsibilities. Use good judgment. Make good decisions and good choices. Keep both your body and mind healthy and strong, and always keep love in your heart. Stay healthy. Please be careful out there. And as always, and most importantly, please come back to school safely tomorrow and every day. Thank you for listening. Have a great day. Have a great week. Love to you all. And of course, keep smiling.
That's all for this week. Have a good day at the lake.